Sometimes you may have to dispute with the original creditors, also known as data furnishers. You dispute with the original creditors when the credit bureaus don't comply with your requests. You're going to use the same information from your first dispute letter in round 1. Then you're going to send a letter to each creditor and collection agency you would like to dispute. After you print the letters, it's important that you send them certified so that you have a paper trail and can prove that they received it. Once you do this, you're going to wait 30 to 45 days to see the response you get back. Depending on the responses you get back, we're going to need to send new letters. If you don't get a response, then you're going to use what's called a furnisher no response letter. However, if you get a response from the original creditor, but no response from the collection agency, you're going to send a furnisher creditor switch letter. If you get a verified response, you're then going to send a furnisher reinvestigation letter. Most people don't know this, but creditors just lend and collect money. That's their only job. So when they're trying to collect their money from the people they lent it to and can't get them to pay, they just sell your information to a collection agency for them to take care of it. For you as the consumer, what this means is, if your debt was sold to a collection agency, you don't have to pay the original creditor, but instead, you pay the collection agency. This is why collection agencies call you repeatedly until you make a payment to the debt you owe. If the original creditor or collection agency says they have proof of your original signature, what you need to do is send a furnisher warning letter. What this letter does is it reinforces that you want the items removed and to take you seriously about removing the items off of your credit report. After you send the furnisher warning letter, you're going to wait another 30 to 45 days for a response to see what they say. If they send you a response stating that the item is verified, but they don't give you any proof, you're then going to send them a furnisher validation letter to let them know that legal actions will be taken. You're also going to send this letter if there was no response from the original creditor. If you stop receiving responses, then we're going to use an estoppel and settlement letter, because the original creditors usually don't want to go to court, so the more you push, the higher the chance you have to get the items removed. The estoppel letter is effective because it states that the creditor must remove the item off of your report because they failed to respond to your requests.